Yo, it's your boy Tiger365. You already know what this is. I know it's been a long time since I haven't uploaded no video. You know, it was during the summer. I was moving around, traveling around, vacation after vacation, and there wasn't having good shoes to release. And I'm not copying anything just to upload on YouTube. Every shoes I upload on my YouTube channel, it's what I like, what I love. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe me, and thanks a lot for your support. And like I said, I got a new Kyrie for Lucky Charms, size 10, as you can see, and the price is $120, which is not bad. And the color is the bright crimson multiple color. Whoa, I like that. I like it. And I always got my shoes from Foot Locker. It's close to my house, and I'm about to put that on the side right now. Let's talk about the shoe. Oh my god, this is one of the bright color for the summer. This is one of the best so far. I like it. And one thing I wish they did, if they had two different laces, and you could see, like, you could have the orange on the one, and the other one they make it with the you see how the bottom shoe looks like. That would be way better. And outsole made with the gum bottom, the yellow, green, and pink. And the other one, the gum bottom, you could see the pink, the purple, and the blue. It's really nice. I really like it. And the sparkles, the midsole, and you could see the swoosh change color when you flip it from side to the side. Like any angle, you see different colors. I like that. And you can see the outside, the side they made of the Lucky Charms cereal, and which is really nice again. And the inside, like the insole, you could see the same cereal with the Kyrie signature inside of it, and I like that. On the tongue, you could see one side made of Kyrie logo, and the other one made up with the Lucky Charms logo. The shoes is really bright. I like it. And there's one thing I have to mention, like inside, because I never see this. I gotta take a look again. You could see it says fear, it's not real, and 11, this is Kyrie number. The other one, the other side is the MJ, which means New Jersey. And that's all about it, guys. So if you like what you just saw, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe me if you're new to my channel. So I'm gonna do the next video for on foot review. You guys can see the support Tiger again. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys soon. All right, I'm out.